The amount of energy you have during your gym workouts is heavily influenced by a vital aspect of your daily routine. Get this wrong, and you'll feel tired and weak the whole day. We'll be covering this aspect in this video, and we'll also share with you some tips on how to optimize your muscle output for peak performance. But first, it's important to understand the causes of low energy. Let's go over the potential factors that can contribute to low energy levels during workouts. We'll start with a very important one: inadequate nutrition. A diet lacking essential nutrients can result in decreased energy levels. As a vegan, it's crucial to ensure you're obtaining a well-balanced intake of protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Deficiencies in these areas can leave you feeling tired and drained during exercise. Another factor is insufficient hydration. Proper hydration is vital for maintaining optimal energy levels. Dehydration can hinder your performance and lead to fatigue. Make sure to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Are you sleep deprived? Lack of sufficient sleep can negatively impact your energy levels and overall well-being. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal recovery and rejuvenation. Overtraining and stress can also cause fatigue and low energy. Pushing your body beyond its limits without allowing ample rest and recovery can result in decreased energy levels. Additionally, high levels of stress can drain your energy reserves. It's important to find a balance between training and recovery, as well as implementing stress management techniques. Now that we've identified some common causes of low energy, let's focus on the crucial aspect of pre-workout nutrition. What you consume before your gym session plays a vital role in providing sustained energy throughout your workout. Next, I'm going to share some vegan-friendly suggestions to boost your energy levels. And later I will unveil the biggest mistake vegan athletes do with their nutrition that kills their energy and gains in the gym. Incorporate complex carbohydrates into your pre-workout meal or snack. Foods like whole grains, legumes, and fruits provide a steady release of glucose, which serves as the primary energy source for your muscles. This sustained energy release helps prevent rapid drops in energy levels during your workout. Including plant-based proteins in your pre-workout nutrition supports muscle repair and growth. Opt for protein sources such as tofu, tempeh, lentils, chickpeas, or quinoa. These foods provide essential amino acids necessary for maintaining energy levels and promoting muscle recovery. Don't shy away from incorporating healthy fats into your pre-workout meal. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and coconut oil are excellent sources of healthy fats that provide sustained energy. They also aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, which are essential for energy production. Prioritize hydration by consuming an adequate amount of water before your workout. Consider including hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges in your pre-workout snack. Electrolyte-rich beverages, such as coconut water, can also be beneficial for maintaining hydration levels. Using the right nutrition is key in increasing your energy levels, but by doing this crucial nutrition mistake that we'll cover in just a few seconds, and without a proper understanding of how energy is produced within your muscles and body, you'll never be able to optimize your muscle output and reach peak performance. During exercise, your muscles rely on adenosine triphosphate, ATP, to fuel muscle contractions. ATP is a molecule that provides the necessary energy for various cellular processes. As you perform high-intensity movements, ATP stores are rapidly depleted, leading to fatigue. Consuming adequate pre-workout nutrition, such as carbohydrates, ensures a sufficient supply of ATP precursors, enabling your muscles to maintain energy levels for longer durations. Understanding oxygen utilization and lactic acid is also important. Your muscles require oxygen to produce energy efficiently. When the oxygen supply is limited during intense exercise, your body starts producing energy through anaerobic metabolism, resulting in the accumulation of lactic acid. You get sore muscles. The buildup of lactic acid can lead to muscle fatigue and a decrease in energy levels. With the proper pre-workout nutrition mentioned before, you can support oxygen utilization and delay the onset of lactic acid accumulation. Maintaining the correct balance of electrolytes is essential for optimal muscle function and energy production. Key electrolytes include sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Consuming electrolyte-rich foods or drinks before your workout can help ensure proper electrolyte balance, preventing muscle cramps and fatigue. An easy way to do this is to add 1 to 2 grains of Himalayan salt to your bottle of water. Or you can infuse your water with fruits, such as a couple of slices of oranges, blueberries, and a bit of cucumber. As you can see, the key to having more energy at the gym is proper nutrition. However, the big mistake I see so many people do, one that kills their energy levels and stops them from performing at their best in the gym, is having a big meal too close to their workout. Digestion is one of the most energy-draining processes in the body. And if you eat a big meal within 30 minutes or an hour before your workout, you will feel tired and heavy, and your body won't function at its full capacity. For optimal performance, try to eat at least an hour or an hour and a half before your workout. This leaves plenty of time for the food to digest, so you can build more muscle more easily. And if you want to learn how to build lean muscle on a vegan diet, check out this video.